Well, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. Once a month I take you guys thrifting along with me. I show you what I look for. I share some tips and tricks of what to look for when you're thrifting, and then we usually do a little haul if I do find something. So today it is that time. We are going thrifting, and today I'm actually going to two different locations. So I'm going to check out my favorite Goodwill that I usually go to and I found some of my most favorite pieces from, and then I'm going to be checking out a Value Village. Now I have not been to Value Village in years. I want to say it's just a little bit out of my way and it's not somewhere where I usually go. So let's hope that we find some good stuff out there. So let's go shopping and then we'll come home and do a quick little haul. It is a rainy spring afternoon, but this is no excuse. We are going to the thrift store. Now, the first location, I am here at my local Goodwill. This is one of my favorite places to thrift. And well, I'm starting off strong in this vase section. This right here was a Studio McGee vase that somebody donated. Yes, it's $22. So not everything that you find at the thrift store is priced well. There are items here that are absolutely amazing. They are a steal, and I actually have some of my most favorite vases that I have thrifted from the thrift store. So you always want to go in and have an open mind. You know, looking at a color of an object shouldn't make or break whether you're going to purchase that thing or not. I say that spray paint really can fix a lot of, you know, vases that you don't really like the color of, or if there's drawings on it. So always look at the shape of an item. If you love the shape of an item, it could easily be fixed with some paint. So with that being said, we're shopping with an open mind, and oh my word, there's lots of beautiful items here today. And I'm not a mug person, but when I saw this mug, I thought it was so darling and so beautiful for the springtime. I love the little daisies. And then I also spotted this little cup holder from Hearth and Hand, which was in excellent condition. So if you're a mug collector, this would have been a great find. I also found this stunning pillow. Oh my goodness, I thought $12 was a little expensive for the thrift store, but the print on this was so beautiful. Now I am finding more and more stems at the thrift store that I absolutely love. They had this eucalyptus one. It was very, very long, as well as these ones for the fall season. I believe both of those were originally from Target. So you're getting quite a heavy discount shopping secondhand. And there's just lots of cute little options here. Like I said, brand new stuff. Today I came across things from Target, from Ross, from Home Goods and TJ Maxx. So people donate a lot of their brand new items. So thrift store is a great place to shop before you go into the big box stores. I love to look at frames at the thrift store. A couple of my favorite frames that I have were actually thrifted, and today was no exception. I came across this beautiful kind of like a white oak frame. It is so pretty. You can easily change out the picture inside with a picture from Etsy or even a free Google image. I just found 2 or 3 frames that were white oak and they were so beautiful, as well as this mirror. You guys, this retailed for $40 originally. It was heavily discounted. It had a beautiful frame around, never been used. So definitely a great place to source new items, because people do donate quite a bit of their new items that they don't use. Another section that I absolutely love checking out is the candle section. I always find new candles in box that were never used or opened, and as well as candlestick holders. There is always a candlestick holder at the thrift store. So again, almost all of them are new, and it's just, I don't know, I love to look at candle holders. I also came across the section where they had pots, and I saw these 3 little pots, and I just thought, oh my word, they just look so beautifully paired together. So don't ever sleep on the thrift store. Now, one thing that I love to keep my eye open out for is for seasonal decor. This arrangement here would be really beautiful for the winter/Christmas season, as well as this little wicker sleigh. I thought it was so adorable with a little bit of spray paint. I could see it having a lot of potential. But I'm going to finish off this shopping trip by looking at some furniture. Look at this adorable little stepping stool. It's vintage. It is so cute. And I also came across a set of 2 bar chairs. These were $7.99, and I loved the little fluted detail on the legs. I thought it was so unique and so beautiful. Again, cannot beat the price. Now, I'm gonna make my way over into Value Village, and I will say that I have not been here in years, and I was pleasantly surprised. I felt like they had so much more variety. They just had so much to choose from, and I'll say that their items were high end. Like these throw blankets, this one right here was made from wool. It is so beautiful. The prices were very similar to what you would have seen at Goodwill. So I really enjoyed shopping here, and I did actually pick something up here at the store today. So stay tuned till the end to see a little haul. But I just started off with the textile section just because they had so many beautiful things. I just had to go over here and share all these items with you guys. So anything from blankets and pillows, literally everything was so beautiful. Now, not everything at the thrift store will be a good deal. This vase right here was originally from TJ Maxx, and this is $4.99, and they priced it up at what, $10.99? Okay. Sorry guys, not today, but what was very well priced was this marble cutting board. This was a little bit over $5, and oh my goodness, it's so beautiful. I did go ahead and take this home with me. I don't know, I just really enjoyed shopping at this store. I felt like everything was well organized, everything just looked so beautiful and organized, and there was so many options to choose from, considering I did go in the evening time and there was still so much items to choose from. So I need to find out when they stock up, that way I can go first thing in the morning. But you guys, again, looking at the seasonal stuff, these little bowls were so adorable, but I do believe they're from the dollar store, so not worth the price here at this store. But again, keeping out an eye for seasonal decor, because you know, these items are really beautiful. You can store them away until next season. Like I said, I just love the store. I cannot wait to go back, long story short. But they did have some beautiful, unique little vases and planters that you could use for your plants or faux plants. I did come across 2 planters. I believe these were like a plasticky material, but nonetheless, really beautiful. They had them in this white as well as a beige color. And just like the other store, I love me some candles. I don't know, something about looking for candles and candlestick holders just brings me so much joy. But they did have quite a big variety, and it looked like, again, they had a lot of brand new items. These right here were from Crate & Barrel, originally priced at $5. And one thing that I absolutely loved was this ginormous hurricane candle holder. I love this. This would be beautiful for a vase or a candle, but $12.99 was a little bit too pricey, so I did leave that behind. Another item that I thought was so adorable and darling were these candlestick holders. I've never seen anything like it. It was so cute. I mean, oh my word, I can just imagine this styled in a living room. It would just look so dainty and so beautiful. But this is going to complete the shopping trip. Let's go home and do a quick little haul. Well, surprise, surprise, I absolutely loved shopping at Value Village. I definitely want to make my way out there a little bit more. I always thought that it'd be a little bit more expensive than Goodwill, but honestly, everything that I came across today, the prices were very similar, and I will say that the selection at Value Village is a lot better than at Goodwill. At least that's from my experience today. And I did come home with one item from Value Village, so that's really exciting. And it is this beautiful heavy stone cutting board. I think this is stone. I don't know. This is really heavy. I don't know. I don't think it's marble. I'm not really sure what this is, but this is really heavy. It doesn't feel like plastic, and it was only $5. And I just love that it was a different material from all of my other cutting boards. All of my cutting boards are made from wood. This one was different. It's a different material, and I love the color on it. On camera, it is coming off a little bit more gray, but it is the most perfect beige out there. I think that this styled with a bigger wooden cutting board would look so beautiful. So I thought this was such a great find for such a great price. And that is going to wrap up today's video. I hope that you enjoyed coming shopping with me. I hope you enjoyed the two different locations. It is a little bit different than what I usually do, but I'm so happy with that cutting board. Stay tuned for future videos. I will be doing more decorating where I'll be using some of these newer items. Thank you so much for watching today, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.